Okay, Volk. Now look at these 4 pictures. Okay, so we have 2 boys here and 2 girls here. Okay, the first boy, his name is Caleb.
Carrot.
Yeah, so where is he from?
Dubai.
Dubai, very good. And what is his favorite animal?
Horse.
Horse, very good. How about this number 2? She is...
Cheese and
Can you remember? She is Meg.
milk.
Where is Meg from? What country?
Scott by.
Scott Bright? No, that's not the country. Scott Bright? No. Scotland. Scotland, yeah. And what are her favorite animals?
Crow.
Cow and... What do we call a baby cow? Calf. Okay, so cow and calf. Now, this is Lee. Where is Lee from?
Lee is
From
China.
China. Okay, so what is his favorite animal? What is that? Quack, quack. A duck. Very good. Now, look at this girl. So she is Sally. Sally is from what country? Canada. One more time. Canada. And what is her favorite animal? Dog. Okay. And you, Volk? Where are you from? Thailand. What is your favorite animal?
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Okay.